Riding motorcycles is an exhilarating experience, and many will even tell you it's the best dopamine and adrenaline fix out there. However, like every good thing, there's a downside to it too, the risk of a crash. Ask any professional or experienced rider and they'll tell you crashing is an integral part of riding, also perhaps the most overlooked aspect, especially amongst newer riders. Skills, rider aids, and perhaps a bit of luck can help you avoid crashes, but crashing still remains inevitable. All you can really do about it is prepare for the worst by wearing protective gear. So, what riding gear is most important? Contrary to what many of us believe, the helmet is not the most important riding gear, and it sits in third place behind riding boots and gloves. Before you call me crazy, let me tell you a global study across the world suggests nearly 60% of motorcycle crashes resulted in lower leg injuries. This is backed by the fact that riding a motorcycle is most difficult at slow speeds, thus resulting in tip-overs, most commonly ending up with your leg under the bike. What is the best way to avoid this? Well, invest in full-sized motorcycle boots, extending from your foot to the shin. Not only do these boots prevent your leg from getting squished under the bike, but they also hold your ankle in place, preventing injuries to the joint. Next up, gloves. It's a human tendency to put your hands forward when falling down, and that's exactly why gloves are super important in the event of a motorcycle crash. With almost 47% of motorcycle crashes resulting in lower arm injuries, gloves featuring hard plastic or TPU sliders on the palms can be a savior. These sliders help your hand slide on the tarmac instead of locking off your wrist, warding off fractures. Like the boots, try investing in long, full gauntlet gloves, as these offer extra protection for your wrist. Finally, helmets. Even though head injuries aren't that common in motorcycle crashes, it still causes a whopping 40% of deaths. And this is exactly why helmets are considered one of the most crucial riding gears. Just like boots and gloves, there are a few helmet shopping criteria to consider, such as the fit, size, shape, and most importantly, safety ratings. So make sure to shortlist your helmets based on the safety ratings and then try them out to see if they fit perfectly around your head, and comfortably too. Now, all this doesn't mean you should discount riding pants and riding jackets altogether and ride around in shorts and a vest. Riding jackets and riding pants are also pretty important as it is, but if you're a new rider or under strict budget constraints, the aforementioned gear should be your top priority. The point here was to educate you about motorcycle crashes as well as what riding gear you should invest in to avoid the most common injuries. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. What according to you is the most important riding gear and why? If you liked this video, then smash that like button, and if you'd like to catch more motorcycle news and content, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.